how to make calls on Instagram. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Instagram application on your device. After that, you have to log into your account. After logging in, you need to go to your chat box or inbox with whom you want to make the call. For that, you can tap on the message option in the right upper corner, and from over here you have to select the person to whom you want to make the call. So after opening up, you'll be able to see this interface or your chat box. So there are two types of call, which are audio and video call. If you want to audio call, then you can simply tap on the phone option in the right upper section. Right next to it, there is a video call option. If you want to video call, then you can simply tap on that and you'll be able to video call to the person. Before calling, you need to make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using cellular data, then you need to be connected to strong cellular data, then only your call will be effective. So by following this simple step, you can make calls on Instagram. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.